How to turn off alternate calendar on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, we tap on Settings. Now in Settings, make sure you go back to the main settings page. Then scroll down to the bottom and tap on Apps. In here, tap on Calendar. And then we go down and tap on Alternate Calendars. In here, select Off, and then after that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Now, make sure you turn on your calendar app and confirm that alternate calendars has been switched off. So here we're in January, and now you can see alternate calendar has been turned off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.